Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Cranberry Hair. So Cranberry Hair sent me their 5x5 Silky Straight Pre-Plucked Virgin Hair. This hair is 26-inch long with HD closure. Hair color, natural color. It's 180% density. It has 4 combs and some adjustable straps. This wig also came with some goodies. It came with a head bonnet, a satin scarf, a wig cap, an elastic band. I guess this is for sewing down on the wig cap, just in case the adjustable straps of the wig can gets weak in the future. You can just sew this down and use it with the adjustable strap just for better security. And it also came with a pair of lashes. So as usual, I just go ahead and hot comb, flat iron, part the hair and cut off excess lace, then come back and install it. So guys, this hair is so gorgeous. The texture is superb. The density is top notch. This hair don't shed at all. Everything about this hair is really giving, and I am so in love. This hair right here is a must-have. And to Cranberry Hair, thank you for sending me this beautiful, gorgeous wig. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm madly in love with this hair, and that's on period. I'll just stand up and show you guys how long this hair is. This hair is really giving, like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I am so in love. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And also like, comment, share, and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload new videos. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.